Ed Roselle, Boss Marketing here, back with you in another video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new book that was just published by Jim Edwards. You may know him as the author and face behind the book of the Funnel Scripts Secrets software. Now he's published a new book with simplified formats. Plug-in, he's get more leads, sales, subscribers, fans, etc. No copywriting experience required. This is a book, a free book plus shipping. You pay the shipping, they will send you the book for free. There is also an upsell to get it in audio format, so I just ordered my copy, which I haven't seen yet, but I'm sure it's going to be good. This thing is, I'll give you a little bit, show you a little bit of the sales page here. He goes into what is copywriting secrets, but it's really a list of what it's not here. It's not about traffic. It's not about product creation and so on and so on. But it does help you write ads, emails, Facebook ads, whatever, emails and letters, descriptions. It's not really a shortcut either. It's not a get-rich-quick thing. It's just a good, solid way to produce some copy that is really good, converting copy. Here's a testimony from Bob Kerr, who loved it, and then he goes in. Jim goes into some of the history on how he learned to do copywriting at the level he's at. So there it is. I want you to take this video and go to the link right below this video and order your copy now. Do it now and get yours on the way, because there's apparently limited copies being sent right now. So very good. Glad to talk with you. So get your copy now. Thank you very much.